What's up, everybody? It's your boy, Lil Two Chicken in the building with your little girl right here. What's your name? Baby Chicken. Oh, yeah, that's her name. Baby Chicken, you heard? Anyways, today we're going to show you a video, and I know you guys are going to love this one. It's called the sneezing prank. What is it called? What do you mean you don't know? Maybe because your mustache ain't right. There you go. Make sure to watch this video. Make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to me. Because if you don't, you gonna get your ass whooping. Huh. Why are you copying me? Do your own thing, girl. Damn. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. We're ready prepared, man. See, we got the Mexican burritos and everything. We even got our Gatorade, girl. What you drinking? What you zipping on? Oh, damn, girl. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe and, like, comment, and do all that stuff. Okay? Show your brother some love.
Let's see it.
Thank you, guys.
Oh no, I don't want to do it. Ew. You're bad. Oh, you saw it? Are you recording this?
Sorry, guys. Oh, what the heck? Thank you.
Fuck dying, get it till I drop. Fuck trying, pedal to the metal. We flying in the fast lane, yelling for worried about a hater, not me. What? Turn to the max, no sleep. Smoke the 100 joints to the face, give a fuck.